Hey, what is going on, you guys? Hope you're having a great day so far. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video today, we are going to be talking about Webull versus Robinhood. So Webull is a new brokerage platform that came on the scene back in May of 2018, and they have rapidly grown in market share. And to be honest with you guys, they are giving Robinhood a run for their money. So if you're out there and you're looking to learn more about these free investing platforms and you're looking at both Webull and Robinhood and you're trying to understand what's the real differences between these platforms, that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video today. Now, two things to mention real quick. First of all, this is an article from my blog, Investing Simple. If you do want to follow along or read this, it is linked up in the description below. And then second of all, if you do decide that you want to sign up for Webull, if you use my affiliate link in the description, you are going to get a completely free stock so long as you open and fund the account with $100 or more. If you download the Webull app from the App Store, you will not get that free stock. So if you do want to get a free stock, you have to use my link in my description or somebody else's affiliate link out there. But it's a great option to get a completely free stock, and it supports me in the process for putting this video together. So I would certainly appreciate your use of that link. So Robinhood has truly been extremely disruptive to this brokerage industry because of the fact that they were the first commission-free brokerage, and this has really pioneered a path for a wave of new investing platforms like M1 Finance, First Trade, and then most recently Webull, of all of these different platforms offering commission-free trading. And the good news for you is that the more competition there is, the better options these companies have to lay out for investors. Otherwise, you're not going to want to use these platforms at the end of the day. And essentially what we have here is a platform for beginners versus a platform for intermediate to advanced traders. So if you are a complete beginner who has no prior experience or knowledge in the stock market, that is essentially what Robinhood is designed for. It's for complete beginners who want the most basic, watered down investing platform out there. Now, that being said, the complaint that I get from people all the time when they are using Robinhood is that after they use it for a couple of weeks or a couple of months, they realize how limited they are by that platform because of the lack of research tools, the lack of sophisticated charting, and just the simplicity of the app. But again, that is what Robinhood was designed for, was to be the simplest investing app out there. So Webull essentially saw the opportunity here to take what Robinhood has done and then bring it to the next level by offering that more sophisticated approach with the research tools and everything available on the app. They've added a trading simulator, they have added commission-free short selling, extended hours trading, and a number of different things that you just do not see on Robinhood. Now, that being said, if you are interested in trading cryptocurrencies or options, you're only going to have that available on Robinhood. That is not available through Webull. And this right here is an actual screenshot from the Webull trading platform. As you can see, there's a lot more going on here, and you have access to a lot more sophisticated charting data. But if you are a complete beginner, this could be totally overwhelming to you, and it might be like trying to take a drink from a fire hose if you don't know what you're doing. But if you are looking for a more advanced trading platform, it is definitely an excellent one to consider, and they are rapidly gaining market share for a good reason. Just to show you another example of the research tools here, this is the page showing the analyst ratings, showing the overall buy, sell, hold recommendations and the trend, and there are all kinds of research tools just like this. And then on the technical side of things, for the technical traders, they have close to 24 different technical indicators, all of which are viewable on the app. And the one thing that I have to say is this: despite how much Webull has actually packed into this app, the user experience is still very good, and it's a very user-friendly app, even though there is so much information available to you at your fingertips. And then one of my favorite features is that you can actually have a social experience within the app where under stocks, each stock you can leave comments about your trades, you can share trades, and kind of get ideas with other people. It kind of reminds me of a combination of Reddit and a brokerage app, where you can have these discussions within the app, and I think that's a really handy feature, and I'm glad they implemented that, and it's not something I'm seeing anywhere else. So as far as both of these apps go, they are both 100% free, 100% commission free. They both have a $0 minimum account balance, and so literally there is no risk or no strings attached with opening up an account with either one. Like I said, Webull does offer that free stock if you open an account with my link with $100 or more. Robinhood does have a similar referral program, but you have to find a friend of yours who has the Robinhood app. They have to invite you through their app, and then you both get a free share of a random stock. But I do not have a link to offer a free stock through Robinhood. Now, there are a couple of downsides to both of these platforms that I want to discuss real quick with you guys now. First of all, neither Webull nor Robinhood offer retirement accounts, which means the only option out there is the individual taxable account. Second of all, there is no dividend reinvestment. So if you are an income investor and you're receiving dividends from your stocks that you own, there is no way to automatically reinvest those dividends. You're going to have to manually do that. Third of all, they do not offer fractional shares, which means that if you are looking to buy stocks like Amazon or Google, you have to buy whole shares of these stocks. And then another big downside here is the limited customer service. Because they are offering free trading, they had to cut costs in different areas, and one of those was customer service, as well as paper statements. So all communications between you and the brokerage will happen via email, and you will not be receiving any statements or tax documents in the mail. But if you're, familiar with the internet and how to import documents to TurboTax, this is really not an issue whatsoever, but it is worth noting. And you will not be able to call someone up on the phone with either one of these brokerage accounts. Your only option is to use the chat features or the email support, and both Webull and Robinhood have, less than stellar customer service, but it's something that you're going to have to deal with to take advantage of this commission-free trading. But overall here, just to summarize, Webull is an intermediate to advanced trading platform, while Robinhood is designed for complete beginners. Robinhood does allow you to trade options and cryptocurrencies. However, Webull does offer commission-free short selling if these different options interest you. One of my favorite parts about Webull is, first of all, the fact that they have that social aspect with the stock trading where you can share your trades and learn from other people. And then second of all, they offer a trading simulator which allows you to practice with fake money, to really familiarize yourself with the platform. That way you're not using real money and making any mistakes that could potentially cost you money. Overall, both platforms are lacking in a few areas. To name a few: the dividend reinvestment, the lack of retirement accounts, and then in customer service. But at the end of the day, both of them are completely free with a $0 balance to get started. So my recommendation to you is to open up an account with both of them, play around with each of them, and see which one seems to be a better fit. If you are a more advanced or intermediate trader as it is, you're definitely going to want to lean towards Webull because of the advanced tools and research available that you're not going to see on Robinhood. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Like I said, if you want to grab a completely free stock, all you have to do is click the top link in the description below to open an account with Webull. If you put $100 in or more, you're going to get a completely free stock. And again, if you simply download Webull from the App Store, you will not get that free stock. You have to use my affiliate link or somebody else's out there in order to get that free stock. And if you do want to learn more, we have this full review over on my blog, and that's going to be in the description as well. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you out, and I will see you in the next one.